Hi, today's topic, some discussion about profit and loss. At first, we know some basic things about profit and loss. First, cost price. What is cost price? Cost price is this price is which an article is purchased, and this denote CP. And what is actual cost price? What is actual cost price? Actual cost price is the cost price plus overhead expense. And what is overhead expense? Now this is the transport charge, labor charge, repair cost, sales tax cost, etc. etc. Selling price. SP. What is selling price? This price is which that article is sold. Getting, after that we getting where we gain or profit and where we lose. When SP greater than CP, then we are gain or profit. Let B SP is equal to 10 rupees and CP is equal to 5 rupees. Therefore, gaining or profit is equal to SP minus CP, that is 10 minus 5, and gaining percentage is equal to gain rupees or profit rupees by CP into 100. Here gain rupees is the 5 and CP is the gaining percentage is 100%. When SP less than CP, then we called this is loss. Let be SP is equal to and CP is equal to 10 rupees. Then loss rupees is equal to CP minus SP is equal to 10 minus 5 equal to 5 rupees, and losses percentage equal to loss rupees 5 and CP is the loss percentage is the 50%. When CP and gaining percentage are given, then SP is equal to 100 plus gain percentage by 100 into CP. Gain percentage is the got it. CP and losses percentage are given. Then SP is equal to when SP and gain percentage or profit percentage are given, then CP is equal to 100 by 100 plus gain percentage into SP. And when SP and loss percentage are given, then CP is equal to 100 by 100 minus loss percentage into SP. Thank you. Bye.